Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an iPhone with iOS 11 or later, and either a certified Lightning cable or Bluetooth. Once done, turn the Audi Q5 to ACC so the MMI powers up and makes Bluetooth discoverable. Plug the Lightning cable into the phone if you plan wired CarPlay. Make sure the cable is not a charge-only cable. If using wireless, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone. Now open Settings, General CarPlay to begin pairing. Once your phone is ready, you proceed to pairing through the MMI. Navigate Telephone Bluetooth, search for devices, and wait for your iPhone's name to appear. On the iPhone, tap the car's name and confirm any PIN that appears. This secures the Bluetooth link. If you prefer wired CarPlay, connect the iPhone to the Audi USB port, and in MMI, choose the media/phone input to map to CarPlay. Make sure CarPlay is allowed on the iPhone when prompted. You finish by launching CarPlay on the MMI screen and arranging app icons if needed. That makes frequent apps easy to reach. Test navigation, call audio and music to confirm both sound and microphone work, and trigger Siri via the steering voice button or Hey Siri for voice control. If CarPlay doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and the car, try a different certified Lightning cable, or delete and repair the Bluetooth connection. This fixes most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.